Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to create a PayPal QR code as a personal user's point of view or your shop. You can create your own QR code. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start as a demonstration. Simply open your PayPal application and PayPal account. You need to log in first of all here. This is my PayPal account and some of the informations are available here. You need to enter here. Look at this top of the screen. Scan QR code related option are available. You just simply tap there, and after that look at this here, scan. You can scan someone QR code and pay money, and seller QR code. You just simply click here and give your customer an easy way to pay with PayPal QR codes. It's very easy. Just simply start and boom, look at this is my QR code. Inside the QR code, my profile picture is also coming here. You want type here some specific amount or typing some options, so you can also select. Otherwise simply download this QR code is saved on my photo gallery. Go back here. I just simply see really downloaded or not. Yes, my QR code is downloaded here. So look at this. You can send this QR code someone else, and someone else very easily pay you scanning QR code. If you like this video, so you can also scan and put it some $1 or $5, pay me as a coffee, and I will say to you thank you. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.